The better you chew, the better you poo. This is a big one. Your poop is the window to your health. Choo-choo times 2. Poop often. This is what the poop says. I gotta go. Help me go quicker and help me go softer. We feed on fiber. Your microbiome, your little pharmacy inside, your gut bug pharmacy. And here's how we have the head brain talking to the gut brain. Biochemical text messages. Hey, you pooping okay down there? Yes, as long as you feed me okay up here. That's what they're saying. Again, how much poop? Well, at least 3 a day, I say. Dr. Poo says at least 3 a day. The breastfeeding mom. I love mom, the breastfeeding baby would say. Mom is an acronym for what we call milk-oriented microbiota. That simply means the probiotics and prebiotics and good gut bugs that breast milk helps to develop in your baby's garden. In fact, a baby's immature intestines are like a garden. You're growing a healthy gut garden by putting the right fiber and the right food into baby's little gut. I love mom, milk-oriented microbiota. And we got, starter foods, healthy fats, avocados, seafood, fat, because you're raising a little fat head. Fat is, much of the brain is fat. Salmon at 7 months. So parents, you'll get just hundreds of helpful daily tips by going through Dr. Poo. Go through Dr. Poo, page by page, the nibble tray full of fiber, and especially for the picky eater. Oh, wow, this is made for the picky eater. Happy poo, happy body. Painful poo, unhappy body, unhappy family. How to massage the poo out, moving it right along. Now, Dr. Bill's tip, chew times 2. The more you chew, the better you poo. How to make a smoothie, how to make a salad. A smoothie a day keeps constipation away. Why blending's better than juicing? Because you preserve the fiber. The gut and the brain talking to each other. You don't want to stretch, ouch, that hurts. We have a whole section on constipation. The softer your diet, the softer you poo. Poo-friendly foods, And then we have all the common questions. Why do kids hold on to it too long? Because they're too busy playing. Stalled poop, ouch, that hurts, constipation. Best pooping positions, all ages. A lot of adult stuff in here too on how to poo better. Stinky poo, pooing while pregnant. Even a little bit about teenage acne, ways that good fiber can help prevent it. So green poop and now smoothie, taking a smoothie into the hospital to help your child get good nutrients in the hospital with permission from your healthcare provider. My smoothie is my soothie. Give your family an oil change, fiber fluid balance, remember, as you go up with your fiber, you go up with your fluids. And finally, we have Dr. Poo's chart. What poo is supposed to look like. Pellet poop, the most painful. Peanut cluster poop, still painful. Pickle poop, less painful. Play-Doh poop with the telltale tail poop sign. Coming to a tail at the end and it just slides out with no pain. And then you don't want it too loose like pudding poop, and then diarrhea poop, puddle poop. So you want it around the Play-Doh poop. That's your goal. And Dr. Poo will help you achieve that.